Now, so this person told me that her uncles, not just one uncle, want her to travel abroad. And now she's concerned. She said she does not want to go abroad. She doesn't want to travel abroad. And she's already working on things that she wants to do. She wants to be a fashion person, so she doesn't want to travel abroad. Abroad is good, but that's not really what she wants to do. And she's scared because since she's not the one that is sponsoring it, she doesn't want to make mistakes. She doesn't want to find out that at the end of the day, she has ruined the opportunity, and now make errors. And coupled with the fact that the people that are sponsoring her, I mean, it's not as if they have all the money, but they want the best for her. That's why they want her to go abroad. Thirdly, she's considering the fact that if she goes abroad now, she does not even know, or she doesn't have any skill. So what will she do when she gets there? So I told her that I'll answer this question and I'll answer it so that others can learn from it. Now, I'll talk to this person because I know them directly, so I'll talk to them in a way that they will understand me properly. See, if you have somebody that wants to send you abroad, that is, you are not putting in anything. Number one, I'm going to repeat it. Your own is to go and get your passport, get your yellow card, get your COVID card, then go and get a visa. They are paying for everything to send you abroad. First, I will say that is a great option and you should take it. Now, I will explain everything carefully so that you will know what to do. Sending you abroad is not just the thing. Number one, where are you going to and whom are you going to stay with and what are you going there to do? Now, if it's to further education, for example, let's say you want to go and do masters, wonderful. But whom are you going to stay with? Are you staying on your own? Now, listen, if they are sponsoring you abroad to go and do maybe further education, but you are going to be staying with somebody, there is a slight issue there, because abroad is not Nigeria. You can't just wake up and run away. You can't just wake up and say, I'm not doing it again, I want to go with my mother. But if it's somebody you trust and you you don't have issues that I'll be well taken care of, I will say you should go. If you are staying alone or you are going to a country where you'll be the only one there, they'll just be sending you money to do whatever you want to do, my sister, take it. So in all, I'm saying that if your parents or your family members are sending you abroad, especially when they say they want to help you, they need you to further your life, whether it's education or maybe something else. As a female for that matter, and probably you are young, you are way below 30, I think you should go, because Nigeria on its own, it's for hard people. You have to be tough to make something out of your life in Nigeria. Now, number two, if you really do not want to go like you have said, and you have mapped out what you want to do with your life, I believe that as a grown-up lady, you should have a proper conversation with these people that are involved. Hello, sir. Hello, ma. I appreciate and I love what you are doing for me. This is my reason why I will not want to travel. You state your reasons. Because most times, people that want to help in family like this, especially when they want to say, I want you to go and study your masters, I want you to go and do this, I want you to go and do that. Families like that wants to help an individual. That individual, listen now, that individual has not shown character of responsibility. You have not shown a character. You have not shown that you are responsible, that you know what you are doing. You can take care of yourself. You are on a direction already. You have not shown that. Shown here means you have not sat down with these people. You have not discussed with these people. You know the people that are sponsoring. You know the people that are involved in your life. You have not shown them. You have not discussed anything with them. So to them, you look like you are wasting your life, especially you're a female. Excuse me. So they feel that they need to help you. They need to do something for you. You have not presented anything to them. You have not talked to them. You need to have a proper conversation and talk with them and discuss with them. It's very important. It's so important. Whether you want to go or you don't want to go, as a grown-up girl, as an adult, you need to discuss with the people that are running your life so that they know where you stand. They need to know. It's important to know your level of thinking. I guarantee you, they are still seeing you as a baby. They don't know what you are thinking. You have never discussed anything with them, so they want to help you. They think they're helping you, which is a good kind of help anyway, but you now need to decide. Now, thirdly, I said two things. This is the third one. Maybe you are that kind of a girl that you already have one hidden boyfriend. Or you already have one hidden husband. Or you already have an open husband or open boyfriend. Like there's a man in your life or a guy in your life. And you already have looked at the situation of things that, if I travel, am I going to break this relationship? Meaning I'll go and start all over. This relationship looks like it's making sense. So now I'm saying that because as a woman, relationship over everything. I like the way I'm making, like it's like I'm pioneering this relationship over everything for women. I want to take it more seriously. So it's relationship over everything. You can now weigh your relationship and project and look at what you are about to do, whether you are going or you are staying. So it should be part of your discussion. I needed to take time to break this down so that you will understand it. Let me repeat myself because this is the last question I'm answering for today. Number one, whether you are male or female, in this case now you are female, if anybody is paying your all expenses paid and taking you out of this country, my brother and my sister, please go. Especially if it's outside Africa, please go. Those countries, US, Europe, are way better than Nigeria. Please go. Your life will be better. Oh, you don't have a skill, no problem. It's easier to learn a skill there than to learn here. There's no kind of business you want to do here that you cannot do there. Though there are some business that will never thrive there, but they will do well here, we understand. But life will be more easier there, especially when you're not spending your own money to go there and probably to take care of yourself or to start your life. Then number two, I am saying that whether you want to go or you don't want to go, discuss your growth of your life with these your people. Because the reason family will gather and say, hey, we must get a husband for you, or we must get a wife for you, or you must marry, is because you have not shown responsibility. You have not shown as somebody that want to marry, and this is what you're working on, this is your hindrances. If you have not shown somebody that is doing business, or you're working on the business, or you want to build a family or a life for yourself, they will think you're not doing anything, so everybody wants to help you. They don't want their sister or their daughter to waste. Then lastly, if you have a working relationship, a good relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, somewhere you're working on something, you can also consider that one and say, oh, let me see this. Because starting a relationship is not funny. You cannot have a wonderful relationship with a husband and you now say you want to go somewhere and travel. And, So those are my thoughts concerning this matter. Thank you so much and have a great day. I'm so tired for the day. Bye.